All right, in this video, I'm organizing all of my bikes and my motorcycle parts. So stick around, there's a lot to see. All right, well, it might be hard to see me, but today I am in the warehouse and I have got to clean up my area. It is a bit chaotic right now, and by a bit I mean a lot chaotic. I have a lot of stuff, and I just bought 5 big things of shelves here, some racking. Spent a lot of money on that, but it's a necessity because I just have so much stuff. So my goal today is I have a friend coming over and we are going to just reorganize all of this and get a lot of my parts that I bought, such as all this stuff, get it up off the ground and just get this into some kind of system that is maintainable, and likely just reorganize all of the bikes as well and get them into a spot where I can move them around easily. But yeah, it's gonna be a job. So let's get to it. Jeez. You guys haven't really seen this thing. That was a pile of trash. Getting this area cleaned out. Still got to move the CBX chassis. But yeah, here's some stuff we got going on. You guys have never really seen that on the channel. I've got some old videos of it, just a few clips, but it's an old KZ 750. It's my first bike I customized. So don't worry about that. A lot of stuff. But we're going to start assembling shelves. We will make a row about over there, kind of left of the other shelf, and then start packing stuff back in. Yes, shelf time. I don't think a zip tie would stand a chance against this. Alright, I think we have our layout here. So I've got my locker over here in the corner. We have a shelf going this way, our rack, and then this is going to be like park bikes all along there. We still got to mess with that little section. Probably just clean it up a bit, but basically our middle row is going to be all like totes. And then this row will be like smaller parts, and then down below I have things for, I don't know, as an example, like my CBX engine and stuff like that. And then, of course, I got some frames. Those can go up top, and I think it's going to free up a lot of space. So we have one more rack system to go, and I think I might as well just, I don't know, just put it against that wall or something. I kind of didn't want to, but it'll be fine for now. So looking pretty good, but now we got a bunch of boxes we got to throw away. I don't know what to put them in. The neighbor's dumpster might get filled. right, I think we have it done. You know, pretty good looking in here. We definitely stayed as far as we could this way. Set up a shelf back there. Starting to look a little bit sparse, so that means we have extra shelf space, which is something that's never happened in my life. But it's pretty cool. We have this whole kind of corridor back here. Now it's going to be dark. All of the access to the parts down here. All of my totes organized. And then all of the stuff that you're going to see on like this shelf here is all of the parts that I bought at in a previous video, I'll link above, that I still have to go through and organize and get up for sale and stuff. But overall, looking much better. It's got some fuel tanks up top along with exhaust systems, bicycles up here. This whole bottom shelf down here, just my CBX engine. It's amazing how much space that takes up. And then over here I have the bikes that are not going to be touched for a while, and then like the CB750, the KLR, and then some other projects that we'll be addressing sooner rather than later. So looking pretty good. Ended up putting just like 2 more of the old kind of shelves just back in the corner. Another view back here. So I like it. Seth and I keep talking. It's like the yellow totes up there. Just need to keep filling up that row. It looks really nice. Pleases the OCD. And for those wondering, this is a 99 Corvette, and then that is a 73 Mach 1. Automatic car. Rebuilt engine, looks good. Corvette I've done a road trip in. Cross country, did that from around Lake Havasu. Went out through Zion and stuff, and then all across the desert back to Missouri. That was cool. Alright guys, that's going to conclude this video. Hopefully it was just a fun little short video, a little interjection in everything else I've been doing. But this was definitely an important thing for me to get done, as I need to make some more space in this building. But again, hopefully you guys like this video. I have videos on all of these projects here, so definitely take a cruise through the channel. Check some of those out if you're interested. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'd really appreciate it. And I'm going to sign it off here. So I hope you guys like this one. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.